yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Honorable Mr. Hansen, as the founding father Basic English course. Honorable Mr. Fuad Al-Mutakin, the director of Basic English course. Respectable Mr. Ruby, the supervisor for success meeting. Honorable Brother Hafat, the chief of success meeting. I thank you Allah for this opportunity. I thank you for our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I thank you MC for this valuable chance. And then I want to introduce about myself. My name is Akram. You can call me Akram. I'm from Charming class. Before I start my speech, I hope you are still awake because I'm the last speaker. Today, I want to tell you about the importance of discipline. Brother and sister, when we have the word discipline, many people think of the cross and punishment. But actually, discipline is not about that. Discipline is about how we control ourselves so our life doesn't become messy. Not messy football player, but messy. Discipline may look small, but it has a big effect. Simple things like waking up on time, coming to school without being late, and finishing homework before the deadline are often seen as normal. But these small habits slowly build our character. As student, discipline is very important. When we are disciplined, we can focus better. Our tasks will pile up and our minds feel calmer. But if we keep doing things, we end up doing everything at the last minute, and the results are usually not good. Honestly, discipline is not easy. Sometimes we feel tired, we feel lazy, or we just want to play. But discipline doesn't mean life becomes stiff or boring. With discipline, we can manage our time well. We have time for our duties and also time to rest. One example of discipline that I experience myself is waking up at 4 a.m. At first, every time my alarm rings, it feels like my alarm was more energetic than me. I was tired of waking up, and my alarm was tired of ringing again and again. Because I'm used to it, now I wake up at 4 a.m. every day. My alarm still rings, but we don't fight anymore. It taught me a simple truth that discipline is the bridge between our plans and our actions. Without discipline, God attention mean nothing. With discipline, even small efforts can lead to real progress. Many successful people are not successful because they are smart, but they are consistent. They keep trying even when they feel tired or bored. From this consistency, big results can be achieved. Brother and sister, in short, discipline doesn't need to start with big things. We can start with small steps, such as making a simple schedule, reducing playtime, and finishing our responsibilities on time. And then, discipline is not about being taught or taught. Discipline is about self-awareness. When we can control ourselves, life becomes more calm and our goals become easier to be achieved. So tomorrow morning when your alarm rings, remember discipline start when you don't press snooze. Discipline start when you don't press snooze. And then that's all from me. And Leslie, I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, my dear speech. Be useful for us. After listening